Building winning shopping experiences involves understanding shoppers' needs, engaging them across various touchpoints, and reducing friction along their journey, motivating them to become a customer once and then again and again. Tip 1. Incorporate enhanced content. Enhanced content empowers you to connect with your customers by providing additional information and unique value adds in a compelling way. Tip 2. Optimize your social shopping channels. As noted by professional services company Accenture, social commerce is projected to grow to $1.2 trillion by 2025. Tip 3. Level up your shopping recommendations. With recommendations, you'll not only foster engagement with your customers and likely increase sales, but also help them feel valued. Tip 4. Provide more hybrid shopping options. No matter where or how consumers are shopping, they expect to have access to the products and information they're looking for. Want more tips and best practices? Check out the complete guide to building winning shopping experiences.